interpolate. Iba na kasi ang hairdo niya kasi hindi ko kilala. Hindi ko siya kilala, iba na ang hairdo niya.
I'm just reminding the resource person. Oh my gosh! So, the next thing...
Kilalang kilala ako ng dating mayor at ng dating pangulo. So he is lying.
So, the next to interpolate...
Lolo, yes.
Order please, order.
In the same manner na kung magbigti ako si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Chairman,
I'll give you, sasampling ko sa
Chairman,
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Lolo, yes.